two identical t-shirts, same design, same blank, same Amazon listing. One's $13.99, one's $24.99, and the $24.99 one sells more. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please, and today I'll show you exactly why. By the end of this, you'll understand why cheap prices actually scare buyers away, the 4 real reasons the higher price wins, and the price ranges that work on Amazon merch. And stick around because I'm saving the counterintuitive move that makes higher prices sell faster for the finish. Reason 1. Buyers can't feel your fabric through a screen, so they use the price as a stand-in for quality. It's a mental shortcut. In a shopper's head, $13.99 means thin, cheap, cracks after 2 washes. $24.99 means real, thick, holds up, worth wearing. This is the price-quality heuristic, and it's so strong people believe it even when the shirts are literally identical. Your brain doesn't have the shirt in its hands. All it has is the number. Reason 2. Cheap prices attract the wrong buyer. Racing to the bottom pulls in bargain hunters, and those are your worst customers. Bargain hunters return more, complain more, and never come back. A rock bottom price even signals desperation. Why is this so cheap? What's the catch? You do all the same work, design, upload, listing, for a fraction of the profit. You're attracting the exact customer who leaves a 3-star review over a wrinkle. Reason 3, and this one changes everything. Most niche tees are bought as gifts, and nobody wants to gift something that looks cheap. Hobby, profession, and funny tees are heavily gift-driven. Handing someone a shirt that clearly cost $13 feels like a gag gift from a bargain bin, but $24.99 feels thoughtful. The price is the packaging. Okay, quick pause. Before we get into the numbers, I've got a whole community over on Skool packed with extra merch strategies. The link's in the description, and there's a lot of valuable stuff waiting for you there. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. Reason 4. A niche tee is a badge. People pay more to signal who they are. I'm a nurse. I'm a disc golfer. I'm a dog mom. These designs are identity statements, and people will pay a premium to wear their tribe proudly. The higher price makes it feel like a real, branded piece, not a throwaway. When someone connects with your design, price is barely a speed bump. They're not buying cotton, they're buying who they are. So let's talk actual Amazon numbers. Print-on-demand tees tend to sell best in the $20 range, and passionate hobby or profession niches can push even higher. A well-optimized listing at a higher price outsells a sloppy, cheap one almost every time. So the higher price rarely costs you sales. It protects your margin. Always check your current royalty in the Amazon merch dashboard, since those numbers change. And here's that counterintuitive payoff I promised. Sellers who raised their prices during the Q4 holiday season actually sold faster, because higher prices boosted perceived value right when gift buyers were shopping. The higher price isn't the risk. Racing to the bottom is. So let's turn this into action. Step 1. Stop defaulting to the lowest price. Start your niche tees in that low 20s range. Step 2. Match price to niche, letting passionate and professional niches climb higher. Step 3. Make the listing earn the price with a strong title, clean mock-ups, and solid bullet points. Step 4. Test it. Raise a few listings and watch what happens to your sales and profit. Here's your move today. Pick 3 of your best designs, bump them into the low 20s, and watch what happens over the next 2 weeks. If you've been pricing at the bottom, you're working twice as hard for half the money. Price for the buyer's brain, not your own fear. So recap, raise those prices, match them to your niche, and let your listing earn it. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update, and come join our Skool community. The link's in the description. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.